So currently I have this set up to earn XRP. And again, that's not an investment recommendation, but I do like XRP, so that's probably what I will keep here. But if we want to change this, we're going to click here on change, and you can see all of the different cryptocurrencies. So obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, but you can get into some lesser known ones here as well if you wanted to have, you know, different altcoins that might be more speculative. If we click here on view all, it's going to show us transaction by transaction, how much we spent and how much we earned. So you can see here, for example, on this purchase at the Hard Rock, I ended up spending $109.30, but I ended up earning a total of $3.28 in XRP. So you can see how those rewards work and how you are earning them in real time every time you're making a transaction. And if you wanted to cash out your crypto rewards, all you would do is click on the sell button here and select an asset that you own. So I would select my XRP. And then if I wanted to sell all of it here, you can see my maximum here would be 2.48 or about $5.47. Now I'm going to hold on to this as a long-term investment and continue acquiring it, but that is how you would cash out.